Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Today, our topic of discussion is FATF, Financial Action Task Force. We are not going to be discussing the entire topic in detail. Instead, we will talk about the FATF's last condition that Pakistan has to meet to get out of the grey list of FATF. As you know that Pakistan was given 27 conditions to comply with, and Pakistan has successfully fulfilled 26 conditions and only one condition remained, which was also partially fulfilled until the last plenary meeting of FATF that was held in June 2021. And now FATF's last plenary meeting is to be conducted in October 2021, and Pakistan is anticipating its removal from the FATF's grey list. The last condition of FATF demanded Pakistan to keep a watch on the real estate businesses and to address the concerns related to realtors, developers and builders. Hence, to comply with the last condition of FATF, government has imposed new laws in property businesses. For this purpose, the government of Pakistan has laid out certain terms and conditions to fulfill for the businesses of real estate and the property purchasers and property dealers. Okay, now let's move on to the imposed conditions. The number one condition is that the property dealers will have to get registered from the designated non-financial businesses and professions, abbreviated as DNFBPs. The DNFBPs are defined by FATF to consist of the real estate agents, dealers in precious metals, dealers in precious stones, and lawyers and other independent legal professions and accountants. So, according to a data provided by the government, currently more than 5 lakh property dealers are working within the country, but FBR has only 22,000 registered workers or property dealers who are the income tax filers. So the point is that property dealers will have to register from the DNFBPs or will have to work under already registered DNFBPs. Once they are registered, they have to comply with certain terms and conditions imposed by the government. So the number one duty is that property dealers have to verify their clients from the list of people involved in money laundering. That list is made by UNO and that list is provided by FBR to the property dealers. And that list can be easily accessed through online application. Secondly, no property deal will be processed in cash. Instead, all property related transactions will take place through banking transactions and not through cash. Also, the property dealer will have to get the due diligence form filled and he has to keep a copy with him. Moreover, the property dealer has to also keep the copy of sales agreement and also the NIC copies of the property purchaser and property seller. So these are some of the conditions and laws that are to be applied by government on property dealers, and now it's upon FBR to regulate and ensure their implications. Once these new laws are implemented and imposed successfully, there will be no excuse left for the FATF to retain Pakistan on its grey list. So it is most likely that Pakistan will be whitelisted in the next plenary meeting of FATF, that is to be held in October 2021. And obviously, this will open new avenues for the foreign investment. Let's hope for the best. I hope you understood the new measures taken by the government to address the concerns of FATF. See you in the next video. Thank you.